What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Doing It with Jason. Today we're going to be talking about drawer slides. There's so many options of drawer slides. There's ball bearing with soft close, there's undermount with soft close, there's epoxy. You name it, there is a drawer slide for every application and every budget. So today I'm going to show you all the different drawer slides, what options they have, and what will make your cabinet or furniture piece shine. We're starting now. All right, so we're gonna start with the ball bearing drawer slide, as you see here. Ball bearing drawer slides are a high quality, convenient option when selecting a drawer slide. Okay, so here is a ball bearing drawer slide. This is just one. You would obviously have two of them on your cabinet, one for the left side, one for the right side. So the way these work is there's two parts. This one is the soft close version, but the only difference between the soft close and the non-regular close is this little piece they add on that when it's triggered, it's got some springs in there. And when it's triggered when you close a drawer, like so, it closes automatically. It's pretty cool. It brings the drawer in. Yeah, it's nice. So the way these work is it's two pieces that they have this little black tab right here. You pull that, you can disengage them. So that makes it nice because this part will go inside the cabinet, this part will go inside of your drawer. And then when you go to slide your drawer in, voila, it goes in and it closes. Easy as that. A really good upgrade to epoxy, which we'll talk about later. Okay, so here is my favorite drawer slide of them all. It's the undermount soft close drawer slide. These are by far, I find, the greatest, smoothest, really clean drawer slide available. Now they could be a little intimidating, but I'm gonna show you right here and you shouldn't be afraid. Okay, so like I said, these can be a little bit intimidating because you have the actual drawer slide and then you have a locking device. Okay, so this locking device is what hooks onto your actual drawer box and it goes underneath it. So it's gonna sit like this. This is just a crash course, so just wanna show you really quick. It's gonna basically slide in. So when this goes in, boom, it locks in like that. And now you have this all locked. And what happens is this slides out and boom. What is really cool about these is you can take a drawer out of a cabinet in 2 seconds. By squeezing this, pulling out, the whole drawer box comes out really quick and easy. I'll have more videos. I already have a couple of videos on my channel if you guys want to look around for any of the drawer slides and undermount and how to put them in and all that. But I'll be definitely getting to that, near future. So what makes these unique and amazing is the adjustability. Let's start with that. This front clip, they have a bunch of different ones you can get, but the front clip really helps out the drawer slide because you have adjustability everywhere. So you have left to right. You can move that drawer box left, right. You could also use another feature and it goes in and out. So I can depth control. So if I'm doing an inset cabinet drawer box or a cabinet door or drawer front, I can set it so where the front, moves a couple millimeters each way, just helping out along the way while you're installing these. You could be off a hair when you're installing them because you have so much adjustment left over here in worst case scenarios. Or if you're putting it on uneven ground, so this will help out. You can also move the drawer front up and down, which is huge. So, you could set it. If somehow you put too much weight in it and it kind of moves a little bit, you could always just click a few little clicks and lift that drawer front right up. So what makes this drawer slide set apart from all the others, the undermount that I'm talking about, is its smoothness. It is super quiet, full extension, just like the ball bearings. You can get them in full extension, 3/4 extension. Same with the undermounts. You can get them full extension, 3/4 extension, all that stuff. I always like full extension because I like to be able to pull the drawer all the way out. But it's unlike anything you've ever used if you haven't used these before, because obviously if you use them before, you know what it's like. So it's just really smooth. It's like glass. It's like you pull your drawer out. It's just, so nice. You close it and then you got the soft close. The soft close works a little differently than the ball bearing. It actually works a little better. By a little, I mean a lot. So when you get it, look at that. It just boom. I mean, it's super cool. What's doing it is there's this little mechanism. It's hydraulics on these. It's like a, nice little hydraulic piece that you'd have in a hatchback of a car, that sort of thing. Same idea. And then some tension, obviously. So here I could just let it naturally fall. And then look at that. So these by far are my favorite. Now, so just keep in mind that depending on what drawer slide you use, you have to make the drawer box work with that system. You can't just throw these into a drawer that has ball bearing slides because there's clearance issues and you have to accommodate for that. So therefore, usually if you're switching over from a ball bearing to this, your drawer box has to be a little different to make it work. And it also has a back spot right here where you can connect the drawer box in with a little bitty hole, which is really neat. So we'll go further detail into this in a future video, but just wanted to kind of show you guys the difference.